Hello, my lovely students. Be unit number 2, هو gravity, the force that pulls everything down. By definition, gravity is a force that pulls things toward the ground. Without gravity, we would float in space. Who discovered gravity? Gravity was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. He discovered it when an apple fell from a tree while he was sitting. He realized that everything is pulled toward Earth by an invisible force. Who is Isaac Newton? Isaac Newton is an English scientist. He was also a mathematician and physicist. He was born in 1643 and died in 1727. Sir Isaac Newton discovered the law of gravity around 1665 after wondering why an apple fell from a tree to the ground instead of floating or moving sideways. Not also he discovered the law of gravity, but also he made important discoveries about light, motion, and mathematics. His law of universal gravitation explains that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force called gravity. What are the effects of gravity on Earth? Actually, gravity force keeps our feet on the ground. It makes objects fall when dropped. It gives things weight and keeps the air and oceans around the Earth. What about gravity in space? The sun's gravity keeps the planets moving around it or orbiting around it. The moon's gravity causes tides on Earth. Every object in space, whatever can it big or small, عندها gravity. We solved page 19. Then هنحكي عن differences between mass and weight. Mass, by definition, is how much matter something has, while the weight is the pull of gravity on that mass. For example, if you go to the moon, where the moon has gravity less than that of Earth, your mass stays the same, but your weight becomes less. ليه؟ لأنه the gravity تاعت الأرض is bigger than the gravity of the moon. We also solved page 23. رجعنا حكينا عن ال hot air balloon. What makes a hot air balloon fly? Hot air makes the balloon rise because hot air is lighter than cold air. The big balloon part is called the envelope اللي هلأ هون شايفينه. هيدا ال big part اسمه envelope. وهيدا الباسكت where the people sit أو ride. هلأ حأحكي عن كل part منهم بهيدا السلايد. So بهيدا السلايد عم نحكي عن ال parts of air balloon. Actually the hot air balloon has three main parts. What are they? عندي ال envelope، عندي ال basket، وعندي ال burners. خلينا نحكي أول شيء عن ال envelope اللي هي the large balloon part that holds the hot air. يعني inside the envelope في عندي hot air. It is made up of a lightweight fabric and helps the balloon float. Basket is the part where people stand. It is usually made of wicker to keep it strong but light. So هيدا الwicker is a material. هي بتكون light بالوزن but it is strong. نرجع نحكي عن third part هو ال burners. هو a device that heats the air inside the envelope. It uses propane gas to create a flame, making the air so hot so the balloon rises. We solved also page 20. Thank you for listening. Good luck.